Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm going to let you behind the curtain for a little bit today. I'm going to show you some stuff that I do just in my spare time. So, my friends, let's get cracking. All right, friends, so this is Tinkercad, and I had an idea where I wanted to create a cage that was the size of an airsoft pellet, so about 5 millimeters inside. So here you can see version 1, or actually maybe version 2 because I deleted a couple. It's round inside, the cage prints, and then as the cage is printing, I drop the pellet inside, and we get a silly little kind of fidget where there's a how did you get that BB inside there. So the first time I tried to print it, the print head is in the way. Go figure. So this was my next solution. I printed a peg to the right so that the print head had to move over, so I had time to drop it in. Now the first 2 times I tried, I missed the alignment. It was hard. I used pliers. There's little BBs all over by my printer that I have, and it was quite a project, but I did finally successfully print a cool closed-in cage that has a airsoft pellet inside, which is pretty fun. I've got some trouble still with stringing. I'm using the A10 that I just fixed again. So I'm still having a little trouble with stringing as I set this new filament up. But hey, for the first test, 0.3 layers, I've got a silly how did you do that fidget that I created. Alright, so the real point, friends, is just no matter whether learning is mandatory or not, take time to learn something new every day. When you lay your head down at night, you'll always be able to say, hey, I did something. Or even if it's not successful, you still probably learn techniques that'll help you the next time you try, or you'll come up with new strategies. If you need a little bit of assistance on figuring out what to do, I have got a website, HLModTechcom. When you go to the homepage, of course, it talks about our challenge lessons. I'll have what's new on the front page, but I've also got a tab called Online Learning. And right now it has some slick lessons and sweet skills that I've added lately. I'm going to put a chunk above this that'll have the daily lesson, and it'll have a screenshot of what you learned. So it'll give you something short, usually 5 or 10 minutes long, and when you're done, you'll be able to say, hey, I learned something. And a lot of times I'll challenge you in the middle to make it more awesome. If you do make something awesome, if you take time to send a screenshot to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, we are at HLModTech on all of those, and on all of them I will not give you a grade, but I'll give you a thumbs up and a pat on the back for taking the time to do something incredible and learn something new. Lastly, friends, you can always reach out using the contact all the way at the bottom of the HLModTech website as well. Alrighty, friends, so if you found the video useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.